guys, so today we're going to be checking out this cool Crazy Doodle 3D pen bracelet kit. It is made by Cra-Z-Art, so I hope it's promising as I have high expectations for it. Well, let's get started. Okay, so it's the inside. I'm just going to open it now. Okay, so here it is. All here. All this. Let's start. I think I'm going to start with this little mold over here. It seems pretty straightforward. We just put in the gel inside of the mold and then we use the light to harden it. Don't think we need to read the instructions. It looks pretty. Put it in there. Hard for me to show. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, and I'll show you how it looks like with all the gel on. Okay? Hold it up. But the only thing that was annoying about it was that when I was trying to put the pink outside of the middle dot, then it was and keep on going inside. So at the end, I just filled up the whole thing with pink and I just put a dot of blue. Now let's put the UV light on top. Going to start with the UV lighting. Okay, and now I'm going to switch it on the other side. Turn it yet, but it turned out that I did read the manual, and then the manual said that you should do it for 30 seconds on this side. So I figured maybe it should be a little bit dry, but it should be dry on this side, but it is not dry. Ooh, it's smoking hot. The UV light really heated up. Now let us just go and do it on the other side and see if it gets better. This part off camera though, so it'll be easier. So I just did it on both sides and it did not work. I'm just gonna put some glitter on top. So I put the glitter on top. Now I guess I'm just gonna try it again. Like try and dry it and then I'll just remove it however it is. So I finished drying it, so I think it's okay, I guess. I mean, this is good for people who have lots of patience, because it took me longer than they said to dry it, and it's not even fully dry still. It's not that easy to show on camera, but it's showing like fingerprints whenever I'm touching it and all. So overall, this is an okay kit. It's not too bad and it's not too good. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.